reached out to us for some help restoring a vintage fire truck. It's unbelievable. Here's our awesome.
There you go. And you guys use it as like a parade. It is our memorial rig for funeral.
So you actually do use it.
Yeah, yeah. The guys give their last ride. What is the last thing we can do for them? You know?
Can you imagine ripping through the city of Detroit in 1940 or 1938?
The stories that this thing would tell.
What's this right here? That's the old pole. They used to slide the pole.
Really?
Yeah.
No kidding. Where'd you guys put it? Is it out back or something?
No, they're all gone.
Why is that?
Safety reasons.
Really?
I mean, a lot of sprayed angles.
What did they do with them?
You know, a lot of them went to the museum. They were for sale for the longest time.
Really?
City was selling them and stuff.
Let's see it, Jay.
Yeah, what's going on there?
That's why we're here. We're looking for a fire pole for our shop. I mean, I came here to check out the truck too, but that was my end. Yeah.
There's nothing out back, I'll tell you that.
No?
But,
Well, I guess our search for a fire pole continues.
all right, thanks, guys. Take care.
Have a good one. No fire pole, but that was a pretty cool tour. It was. We're restoring a 1974 Dodge W100 for my son Carson. But the cool part is he gets to learn from everybody in the shop. It's a real lesson. Don't waste Doug's time.
You ready to tear this thing apart?
You know, Weebrut is an unbelievable mechanic. I trust him with all of our cars here, and now he can kind of pass that down to Carson.
Taking this apart, there's so many things that we're gonna find out to tell which parts we're going to switch. The engine is really a combination of heart, brain. I mean, it's the crucial, critical part of the car. Without it, you don't even have a car. You have a carriage or something. If the intake gasket leaks, you'll suck too much air into the motor. That's called a vacuum leak.
I learned a lot from Doug. Pretty much blown away by all the knowledge that these guys in the shop have.
And if you suck in too much air, it'll seize the engine. And that's really on you. And so you always kind of have to put yourself in the driver's seat and say, what if I was driving this car? The person that gets in this car is in your hands.
It means a lot to work on someone's car for them. It's a huge responsibility.
There's a lot of lessons there to be learned that aren't necessarily exactly how this motor works or exactly how to lay down paint. You know, it's a lot of life lessons. Hey, Ron. What? Come on in here for a sec. Why? Am I getting fired? No, you're not in trouble. I want to paint, and I only want paint to do this. I want to change the color on Carson's truck. Remember the, like in the 70s, there was always like that ugly, burnt yellows, and pale yellows, and greens, and all that. And I saw a green the other day, and I can't find it now, but I saw it in the shop. Want to go on a field trip? I'll go on a field trip. Doesn't involve ice cream? I don't know, potentially. Wasn't that green? Wasn't that? We got a lot of green stuff. No wonder why I was inspired by green. I can't remember where I saw that. Here we go. Here we go. Right here. Right here. This was it.
What's a box?
This was it. Okay. This I want on the roof cap, bottom of the truck, and then this on the body. Two-tone it. You know what I'm saying?
So you want me to match a box color? I can't believe you actually seen those colors together up on a shelf.
Yeah. Dude, I am inspired by everything around me, including you and your talents. I tried to find it on here. It's not on here. It's on here.
Why couldn't you walk by the blue?
I did. I didn't like it.
Why didn't you walk by the orange?
I did. I want.
How about that nice white?
Orange is not bad.
This is the worst one you've ever given.
I can't help it. I like it. I'm inspired by that color. Give me this box. All right. Hey, it's colors, ain't it?
You know what? I'm gonna steal the speakers because I need them for the band.
Go ahead.
All right.
Yeah, we do match those colors.
I'll do what I can do.
Here we go. I'm looking for a fire pole for my building downtown Detroit, so I can get from one floor to the other. The fire department doesn't have one for us, so I'm gonna go check out the scrapyard and see if I can score one from there. Are we actually really gonna get a brass unbent pole? All I care about is if I got something that's long enough to go from the second floor to the first floor to get expedite us back down.
Here it is. Let the games begin.
What's that, the expressway?
Yeah, what is that? What's the Reebok?
Yeah, that's like a torn down expressway.
Holy smoke. What is this?
Generator, right?
Super sweet Detroit diesel. Look at that. That's a big pumper. Hey, Steve, you're getting us sidetracked, okay? We're here to get a fire pole.
There's some tubes.
There's tubes right here.
Tubes?
All right, now we're going to walk around Lake Minnetonka.
saved a lot of money on my car insurance by switching to Geico.
I should take a closer look at Geico.
You know, Geico can help you save money on your homeowner's insurance too.
Great. Geico can help insure a mountain chalet.
How long have we been sawing this log? 114 years. Man, I thought my arm would be a lot more jacked by now. I'm not even sure this is real wood.
There's no butter in this churn.
Do my tries look okay? Take a closer look at Geico. Great savings and a whole lot more.
What makes a great custom suit? Fabric sourced from the finest Italian mills. Details handpicked by you. And made right here in America in just 3 weeks.
I'm Joseph Abu. This is my custom suit. Now available at Men's Warehouse.
It only takes a second for an everyday item to become dangerous. New Tide Pods Child Guard Pack helps keep your laundry pack safe and your child safer. A line, press, and unzip. It's not just a cup. It's your daily treat. Go ahead, spoil yourself. The ES and ES Hybrid. Experience amazing.
Sam figured out that he could stop looking for extra money to get a new phone. Because at Metro PCS, everyone gets a free phone. Yes, everyone. Metro PCS, wireless, figured out.
As a designer, I pull inspiration from around the globe. Jared's commitment to quality and craftsmanship has helped bring my designs to life. Each handset ring is my interpretation of timeless classics. The Vera Wang Love Collection, now available at Jared's.
I accept. I don't break down the smoke like I used to. I even accept I have a higher risk of stroke today. The type of irregular heartbeat not caused by a heart valve problem. But whatever trail I take, I go for my best. So if there's something better than warfarin, I'll go for that too. Eliquis. Eliquis reduced the risk of stroke better than warfarin. Plus had less major bleeding than warfarin. Eliquis had both. Don't stop taking Eliquis unless your doctor tells you to. As stopping increases your risk of having stroke. Eliquis can cause serious and in rare cases fatal bleeding. Don't take Eliquis if you have an artificial heart valve or abnormal bleeding. While taking Eliquis, you may bruise more easily, and it may take longer than usual for any bleeding to stop. Seek immediate medical care for sudden signs of bleeding, like unusual bruising. Eliquis may increase your bleeding risk if you take certain medicines. Tell your doctor about all planned medical or dental procedures. I'm still going for my best. And for Eliquis. Ask your doctor about Eliquis.
Okay, guys, and this is the end. Well, not the end, but where we're going to stop. From here, it goes on, as you can see. But we're going to stop right here. Watch more. Remember, I'm not trying to copy the people. I'm just spreading the book around. So, thank y'all. Subscribe and comment down below. Thank you.